Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Yep. Yep. I'm on. Oh, he's pretty good. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh my gosh. Look at that thing. Oh, look at that thing. That's a good bass. Look at that. I caught it on a Hellgrammite. Look at that thing. Hell yeah. Beautiful fish. It's a beautiful day.
Good job. Nice.
He's a long one. He splashed me.
Oh, my favorite color. Those are yours.
Oh yeah. They like that thing, huh?
Yeah. I'm not using that wiggly thing. I'm just using a regular.
Surprised you. It's like you don't think they'll. You think it's too shallow, you know? But they're in here. There's a bunch of rock bass over there. There we go. Got one. Oh, I think it's a smallie. No, it's a rock bass. Oh, how cool are you? Stop. Whoa, buddy. Hey. Rock bass. I love these guys. I could tell they were hitting my thing. They're so camo. Very cool fish. Got one. Oh, he's so tiny. Yeah, he somehow got hooked on it. That was a good one. Fuck. Oh, yep. Yep. I set the hook that time. I think that's the same guy. Oh, yeah. Let's go. Oh, yeah. Oh, my gosh. Oh. 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 He's huge. Come on. Quit it. Oh, oh, another good one. Got it. Nice. That is a cool fish. I think it was the same one that I lost before. Oh, he's pretty. Yeah, I've got the weight inside it. Yeah, you need to cast upstream and let it float down. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Yep. Another good one. Oh. Oh, he's a good one, Mom. Oh. Jeez. Oh my gosh. Shit. Oh my gosh. I gotta keep the pressure on this guy. Did I hook him weird? No? Yeah. Oh. He feels like 10 pounds. Holy cow, Mom. This one is big. Oh. Oh. Look at this one.
Am I not hitting the photo thing enough? Oh yeah, I got it. I got it.
Look at this freaking dude. He's so heavy. This has got to be like 2-3 pounder. He's just so fat.
Put him back in.
Look at this guy. Oh my gosh. Look at that.
Beautiful. Look at him just hanging out in there.
I know. Wow.
Here.
Grab him.
Okay.
You grab him. That's your fish. Nice. Nice. He felt like 1,000,000 pounds, huh, I bet.
Yeah, but it's like their mouths are so awesome. Thank you.
No, you release him.
Hi, buddy.
Oh. Got one. No. Whoa. Look how pretty this one is. Oh! Oh my gosh. Mom, this thing is beautiful.
Wow, can't you see it on your camera? That's beautiful.
This is a pretty one. These guys are so pretty. Wow. So beautiful. Got one. Oh my gosh, he's so tiny. Stop. Got one. Nice. He's a good one. Yep. Oh, he's pretty good. Oh. Oh, yeah. He's pretty good. I saw him take it. Yeah. Dang. Look at that. Yes. This guy's a badass. He's a good boy. Oh, got one. Yeah.
Bass.
Yeah. Barely hooked at all.